Hello and welcome. In this video I will present you life hacks that can change your life. First one. Do not use earplugs every day. Every time we clean the ears with ear sticks, we actually push the wax deeper into the ear and clean only part of it. Therefore, it is necessary to stop daily cleaning of the ears with ear sticks and start to just wipe the ears with a towel after bathing. Ear sticks are not recommended more than once or at most twice a week. Second one. Lower the board to the toilet when you flush. Research has shown that when you release water, fecal particles and bacilli can fly up to 4 meters into the air. Scientists have called the aerosol a toilet pen after the way it spreads. If we flush the toilet with the board raised, all surfaces in the bathroom will be covered with bacilli. Suffice it to say that this includes your toothbrush. It is not just a matter of hygiene. Not lowering the board also endangers your health. Third one. Use a roll-on or stick instead of deodorant spray. Deodorant spray leaves marks on clothes, pollutes the air and the environment, and the thesis is that this disposal is recycling. Fourth one. When you go to the toilet, place something under your feet at least 10 centimeters high. Numerous studies have shown that the intestines empty much more efficiently when we poop in a sitting position. The large intestine simply cannot be opened properly in a sitting or standing position. Squatting in a squatting position, as they do in the Far East, is much more natural than pooping in a sitting position. Most of us, however, do this work in a sitting position, which prolongs the process and makes emptying more difficult. This may explain why diseases such as hemorrhoids and diverticulitis are more common in Europe than in Asia. Putting our feet on a small chair while sitting on a cup will help us a lot. Fifth one. After dry, use moist toilet paper. After dry, use wet toilet paper, wet wipes, because after wiping, nothing should remain on the paper. So it is a great suggestion to use wet toilet paper after dry. It will contribute to better hygiene and a feeling of extreme cleanliness. Thanks for watching.